It's an exciting day for the company to having listed as the first e-commerce company to list in India, as well as for Prosus. It's a validation of our India investment thesis. It's a validation of our thesis of backing local entrepreneurs, solving local problems at scale. And as you mentioned, we have invested in the company 7 years back, and in each and every round we have followed on and still continue to be one of the largest shareholders on the cap table.
Right, and of course, the larger shareholder in this table is saying so. I want to once again put into perspective, what was the amount when you invested?
So the first round that we invested in was at a $600 million valuation, and current company is currently trading at around $8.59 billion, so it's handsome returns for us.
And what is your vision for the company? I mean, you want to continue to stay in the company for some time? I mean, how do you see?
So India is a very core part of our strategy, and we are very long on India as an economy, very long on Indian founders, and very long on digital adoption of India. So from that perspective, this is a generational company, and we continue to be very bullish about the prospects of the company.
Overall, talking about the sectors, you were invested in other companies as well, and some of them you have paid the stake. How do you see this overall quick commerce sector and also the sector where Meesho is catering in?
Yeah, so Meesho is very unique in the terms of the kind of PG that they are serving. They are currently at around 235 million annual transacting users, and they are catering to a very different sort of audience, which the existing guys are not catering to, and that gives a lot of, the team had a lot of conviction on the kind of insights that they had into that TG, and they're just trying to solve for that and trying to democratize access, e-commerce access to all the participants in the overall ecosystem.
If I talk about 2025 itself, which are the sectors you think has been much of profitable? Which are the sector you think there is juice much left for 2026 and beyond?
Yeah, when you look at the overall Indian economy, there are multiple tailwinds that currently exist. We see a lot of new cohorts of customers in the form of Gen Z and Gen Alpha that's coming into the economy, and those customers will have unique needs. We also see a lot of next billion users coming onto the Indian e-commerce landscape.